guys, and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can practice, put yourself under exam condition, JAMB practice and exam condition on the DTW JAMB CBT app. Okay, so let's quickly go. So come to practice for UTME. Click on it, practice for UTME. Now JAMB is 4 subjects, all right? So you select your subjects. English is compulsory for everyone. So the remaining 3 subjects depends on your course. Okay, so you have biology, let's say you're doing biology, chemistry, and you're doing physics. So that's 4. You say, okay, all right. Now, the next thing is you select a year. Now, we have past questions all the way from 1992 to date. Let's say you want to start from 1992 to start practicing. Okay, so you put 1992. You go to biology. Okay, this is already on 1992. Okay, let's come to physics. Okay, and we put 1992 in physics. Okay, so you can see it has put your questions 60, 40, 40. Now, you come here. This is already on practice. Now, there are several. Let me just quickly talk on this. On this mode here, you can use practice, you can use mock mode. Practice and mock mode, you see the timed environment, but study mode, there's no time environment. This study mode allows you to, immediately you try a question, you see the answer immediately. Okay, but we are practicing, we are putting ourselves under exam conditions. So let's go to practice mode. All right. Now, JAMB is what? 2 hours. I always tell students, I advise them, always practice. When you're practicing, practice under 1 hour, 30 minutes. This would help you. Okay, but let's just put it on 1 hour, 2 hours. Okay, and you click start. Immediately, do you see you started? Can you see your countdown timer? The clock has already started. This is the same way JAMB CBT interface is. So you come here, you answer your question, you click on next, answer, click on next. You can also click on whichever question you want to click on here. All right, and when you don't answer a question, you see that when I answer, the color changes. Do you see that? So here you come to biology, you do the same thing, you click on next or click on answer and all that. You come to chemistry. That's how to go through your subject. Okay, you come to physics. Then when you are finished with everything, that's when you click submit. Please don't finish with English and click submit. That is not the way JAMB is. Students have made that mistake. You have to finish all your subjects and submit. Please share this video, okay? And so that is the way. And if you want to access the calculator, this is where you access the calculator. It's the same thing with JAMB. There's a calculator, but the calculator part is it's not scientific. Okay, so this is the way you access the practice app on DTW JAMB CBT app. So download it on Google Play Store, and it costs 4,000 naira to activate. All right, so WhatsApp us, and WhatsApp details on the app. WhatsApp us, and activating is not scam. You are blessed and destined to win. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. Come to him.